Are you looking to upgrade your system to Windows 10, but you can't afford $199 on license key? Or are you also want to get MS Office license key in cheap price? Then this is the right place for you, because in this video, I will show you how you can save lots of money when buying a new Microsoft Windows 10 license key, and also Microsoft Office key. But before we start, just subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification icon to get latest updates. Let's start this video. Let me introduce you to this amazing website called GoDeal24. GoDeal24.com is an online store designed to distribute digital video game keys and software keys. You can buy Microsoft Windows keys for Windows and Office. You can also get games keys for Steam, Origin, Xbox, Uplay, or even PlayStation cards. All of products are delivered digitally through email. GoDeal24 supports popular payments by PayPal, credit cards, and more. First step is to go to www.godeal24.com/software.html. Link is also mentioned in the description. Now you will see Microsoft Windows 10 Professional in very first result. Click on it. From here, you can add this key to your shopping cart. You can also see complete guide on how to activate this key after purchasing. Click all purchasing detail once, and then click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Register or Checkout as Guest. Enter billing information, and done. After a couple of minutes, you'll receive your activation key via your email. Very simple and also money saving. Link is in the description. Please go check out, and if you like this video, then please like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel and press bell notification icon.